It's been a long time since Doge gave us any sort of excitement, but earlier this morning, around 3 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doge spiked up by over 16%. Since then, the price have pulled back, and right now Doge is up about 7% and is trading at just a little bit over 15 cents. Could this spike up in price is a sign of the beginning of a possible reversal in price that most of us been dying for? Or, well, let's just dive in and see if we can figure this out. All right, this is the daily chart for Dogecoin, and the data I have is to 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January the 11th. Doge has been trending down. Yesterday was a bad day. Price dipped all the way down to about 13.5 cents. Broke down of my support zone at 15 to 16 cents. And the reason I have the zone set up at 15 and 16 cents because if we look at the first time when Doge spiked up during the March time frame of last year, we had the first spike up to about 45 cents and then a pullback. The price dipped all the way to 15 cents, bounced up, and then we had the second wave that took those all the way to 75 cents. A pullback after that. Even during the bear market, those found support at around 16 cents and then bounce up. So the major support that I see is within the 15 to 16 cents. And yesterday, by dropping all the way to 13.5 cents, even rebounded and closed at 14.2 cents. This closing level is below the 15 cents. So those is pretty much in trouble. And during the live stream yesterday, I indicated that we really need some sort of news, a tweet, anything. So at least the price can stabilize and then bounce up and then cross over the support zone. Otherwise, Doge is at serious risk of continuous downward trend and then eventually retest the 12.6 cents. Even at 12.6 cents, I want to be honest, there's no guarantee that there would be support at this level. And if there's no support at this level, then obviously it's going to be very nasty. Fortunately, my wish was answered in the form of a tweet which caused the price to temporarily spike up. Interestingly, the tweet did not come from Elon Musk, but from this dude, Pradeep K. He tweeted, Doge Tesla Model Y payment page code is showing Dogecoin as payment. So apparently this guy, he was messing around with the Tesla website and he was on this page, tesla.com/model-e/design pound payment. That is the payment page for Model Y. And he was just messing around looking at the code behind this page. And he discovered that there is a line reference to crypto Dogecoin as a potential form of payment. So he tweeted this. And after he tweeted, the Doge community picked up. And then other people also looked into that and tried to confirm that. And they confirmed what he tweeted was true because looking at the source code of the Model Y payment page, there is definitely a payment type reference relating to Dogecoin. That was the main reason why the price of Doge spiked up. So if we look at the 15-minute chart after Doge closed yesterday at 14.2 cents, the price didn't really do much. But until around about 3:30, there was this two big spike up. That's when the community discovered that tweet. But unfortunately, after that, about half an hour after that, we started seeing this selling pressure. One of my concerns about Dogecoin is lately it seems to have problem building any sort of momentum after a news. As you can see, after this big spike, there's almost no volume after that. And because of this, it's really easy for seller to drive the price down. And this here remind me of what happened back around the second week in December. That was when Elon tweeted that Tesla would be accepting Dogecoins as a form of payment for some of their merchandise. We saw this really nice spike up in price, volume pickup. But after that, the price started to pull back. And then there's almost no volume after that. and short seller continue to pout on the price. So we see like couple days after that, whatever the gain from this really good news is pretty much gone. So it is disappointing to see that Doge has a hard time building any sort of momentum that could help to retain this gain. But still, the good news is this: Doge has been trending down, and the price broke down below the 15 cents. Now, with this spike up, at least we are seeing Doge is attempting to regain and then cross over the 15 cents. It's really critical to see Doge eventually bounce up and then at least close to the above 15.5 cents and stabilize over that. Switch back to the daily chart. What we are seeing here is very similar to when Elon tweeted during the second week in December of last year. The price was trending down. He tweeted, we saw this major pop in price. But after that, the price slowly pulled back and then broke down. Hopefully, that is not going to be the case. I really want to see Doge pick up some sort of momentum and at least cross over the 15 cents or best is the 15.5 cents. Stabilize over that within the next couple of days and then move up to about 16 cents. Because at 16 cents, those would be trading over the 10 days moving average, which is really critical. Trading over that 16 cent and stabilize over that, then there is a potential for a reversal in price. If those get rejected at the 10 days moving average and then drop below the 15 cents again, then the possibility is extremely high that we are going to see the price retrace and retest this prior low. So in summary, this is a really good news. Let's just cross our finger and hope for the best. Hopefully that this news will eventually create some sort of momentum, and then we would like to see Doge end up trading at 16 cents or above, let's say by the end of this week. That would be ideal. So I would be lying that if I'm saying the chart is looking good. It is in fact horrible. But at least there is a hope for a possible reversal in price. That is assuming if those can pull through and start to trade at 16 cents or above. That's it for this video. And don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe. And make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.